Electricity is the clean substitution energy to fossil fuels. However, electricity isn't the transmitting energy angel, since when by faulty contact with conducting material, machines, equipment or most importantly human being and animals, it releases deadly power resulting in serious damage or loss of life. This article is for organizations, managers, engineers, technicians, workers and operators whose works are carried out on or near electricity or electrical equipment. Basic principles of electricity. Electricity is the flow or movement of electrons through a conductive material that permits transferring electrical energy between two ends. Conducting material is the substance through which the electricity can flow and transfer, usually made of metals like steel, iron, aluminum and copper, but also, some gases or liquids like water are good conductor of electricity. On contrary of conductor material, insulating material is very poor conducting material through which forbid transferring of electricity, and usually made of rubber, timber and plastics. Short circuit is a fault in the electric circuit that breaks it, leading the current flows directly to earth rather than machine. Electrical resistance is almost vanished, meanwhile voltage remains the same so a rapid increase in current occurs. Short circuit can cause safety accidents, property damages in absence of proper protection. Earthing is considering earth as a huge low-resistance conductor which easily receive electrical current, that reinforce necessity of conducting any metal, equipment, machine which a person might come into contact to earth, leading electric current to flow to earth rather than human body. Low voltage is a voltage normally not exceeding 1000 DC volt or 600 AC volt between conductors and earth or 1000 AC volt between phases. While high voltage is exceeding 1000 DC volt or 600 AC volt between conductors and earth or 1000 AC volt between phases. Mains voltage is the common voltage available in houses, offices, shops and many workplaces. It falls into low voltage category since usually supplied between 220 and 240 AC volt. Live term means that machines, tools, equipment or any piece of conductor which has a voltage when connected to a source of electricity. Charged body is the item which has received an electric charge as a result of either being live or by other means even though it may be disconnected from the rest of the system. Live work means carrying out job or task on or near live conductors or even charged body like power lines, live testing and measuring voltage on. Dead term means neither electrically live nor charged. Disconnected means that machine, tool, equipment that is not connected to any source of electrical energy, while isolation is the safety practice intended to separate all or single zone or section vicinity of electrical components by cutting off every source of the electrical power supply. Most electrical accidents occur because people unaware of being live rather than dead, lack of training, using inappropriate equipment and lack of adequate precautions. The principal hazards associated with electricity are electric shock which occurs when human body becomes the root of live electricity to earth resulting in muscle convulsion, accompanied by severe injury, pain and probable burn. It depends upon the size of the electric current, voltage and the electrical resistance of the skin and body. Electric burns is the electric generated heat, usually more severe than those caused by fire heat due to ability to penetrate deep into the tissues of the body. It depends upon the pathway which electric current passed through the body, time period of the shock and the size of the current. Electrical fires and explosions which mentioned earlier about generated electric heat and spark which are capable of igniting flammable gases, liquids, combustible material and even insulators when misusing in addition to overload and overcapacity electric current. Often occurs due to lack of maintenance, poor design, short circuits, overheating of cables. Electric arcing when too narrow space with high voltage power line increase the probability of electric arc formation, that electricity can travel through this narrow space to human body. Flash burns, temporary blindness by burning the retina of the eye are the cost of electric arcing. Sources of high risks associated with electricity include unsuitable equipment for electrical works, poor quality of used equipment, machines and tool. Poorly maintained electrical equipment or tool, using unapproved electrical equipment for adverse or hazardous environments, live working on mains electricity supplies, contact with underground cables during excavation work, contact with live overhead power lines.